हेलो बच्चों।
A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means save.
Apple means save.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball means gain.
Ball means gain.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means billy.
Cat means Billy.
Meow, meow. D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means kutta.
Dog means kutta.
Boo, boo. E for egg.
E for egg.
Egg means anda.
Egg means anda.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means machli.
Fish means machli.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
Grapes means angur.
Grapes means angur.
H for horse.
H for horse.
Horse means ghoda.
Horse means ghoda.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
J for jug.
J for jug.
Jug means jug.
Jug means jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means patang.
Kite means patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means शेर.
Lion means sheep.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
Monkey means bandar.
Monkey means bandar.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means घोंसला.
Nest means घोंसला.
O for owl.
O for owl.
Owl means ullu.
Owl means ullu.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Peacock means more.
Peacock means more.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means rani.
Queen means Rani.
R for rose.
R for rose.
Rose means gulab.
Rose means gulab.
S for spoon.
S for spoon.
Spoon means chammach.
Spoon means chamach.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means cheetah.
Tiger means cheetah.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means chhata.
Umbrella means chhata.
V for van.
V for van.
Van means van.
Van means van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means घड़ी.
Watch means घड़ी.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Xmas tree means Christmas tree.
Xmas tree. Christmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means yak.
Yak
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means zebra.
Zebra means zebra.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और वीडियो को लाइक भी। बाय बाय।